I am in the background, look at me. Then they got married, then they got married, then they got married. That's how life works. Hey guys. Welcome back to another vlog. We're actually going to get a new microwave since it exploded. Well, it didn't really explode, but there's a big pop sound, so we're going to get a new microwave. Well, we were actually going to do that right now, but I asked Isabel if I could do the vlog for us. Isn't that right, Isabel? I asked something. But, whoa, I tripped over my surfer, kind of. Okay, but here's the cat, if you want to see. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi to all the people who watch me. So yeah, this is my cat. Sometimes he runs away. Say hi. Say hi. There's a pillow in the kitchen. She's kind of redoing the kitchen. I have this right here. There you go. Wait, why did I treat you like a dog? You like a bright light? But yeah, this is my cat. Say hi. Sometimes he doesn't like me to do stuff to him, but sometimes I have to. It's for you guys' entertainment. So that's all for this vlog. I'll see you tomorrow to a new vlog. Whoa, whoa. Bye-bye.